Good morning, my loves and my lovelies. This morning, we are going to try to do a little harvesting off the plants. Look at those okra. We're going to do a little harvesting this morning. I hope everybody is doing great this morning. I hope you guys have a blessed day on today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment section. And please do subscribe. I got Mariana out here with me this morning, y'all. Those peppers, some of those should have been came off. Okay, let's get it. Okay, I guess we'll start right here with these jalapenos. Okay, guys. I got all the jalapenos off of the jalapeno plant. Don't they look beautiful? And yes, I went on and got my nails done, y'all. I could not take it anymore. But yes, look how beautiful they are. Okay, so what do we have here? I'm thinking I want to let this bell pepper sit on her just a tinge more. And then there's one in there. And then there's one down there. I think I let my bell pepper sit just a little longer. I'm thinking. Can y'all see? And then there's a little bitty one right there. I don't know. I'll come back to it. Let's see what's over here. Don't look like nothing over here. No. And then we have the okra. Of course, we need to take some okra off, y'all. Look at those okra. Look how big they are. So, yes, I'm finna take some okra off, y'all. Look at those okra. And then I'm gonna get them dead leaves off, dying leaves off. So, give me a few ticks, y'all. Okay, guys. I took off the okra that I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna leave that one on there. And leave that one on there a little longer. I pretty much took them all off. I'm gonna leave that one. Got a few more coming. Okay, now let's look at what we have, guys. Look at those okra. Look at that. Look at that. They're just beautiful. Wash them off real good and cut them up and freeze them till I'm ready to use them. Now my peppers and bell peppers, jalapenos, all that, I chop those up and I freeze them. And I kind of put them in everything I cook. Look at those. They're just beautiful, y'all. Okay. So we moving on to the banana peppers. I should have already took some off this banana pepper. But like I said, I try to wait so I can give y'all a video So let me get some of these banana peppers off of here. So give me a couple of ticks. Okay guys, I am through taking off what I am gonna take off the banana plant. I left a few. And then one back there. There's still some more coming on there. But let's look at what we harvested. Now I'm gonna throw this one. I probably just cut off what's messed up on it and keep the rest. Look at these banana peppers. Yeah, I'm super happy, y'all. Super happy. It's a blessing to be able to grow your own food, guys. It's truly a blessing. Okay, let's see what's on this candy cane. The candy cane peppers. I see one. Look how beautiful they are. That's the candy cane peppers, y'all. They just beautiful. And the leaves grow so funny looking. Make you think something wrong with your plant. But that's the way they grow. I don't know if I want to take this one or leave it. I think I'm going to take it. Just one. I think I'm going to take it, y'all. That's the candy cane pepper. It's just beautiful. Ooh, it smells so good. Ooh, y'all. If y'all can smell that. It's just beautiful. Okay. Tomatoes. They looking good. They got a little whiles to go. I done picked this one up so many times, y'all. It's just gonna hang until it's done. That's not mildew on the plants. I use that, what is it called? Dermatitis earth for the bugs. And I just sprinkle it everywhere. So it's not mildew. Got a few tomatoes down there. So, tomatoes won't get harvested today. Got a ways to go. Got some blooms over here on this pepper plant. Some more blooms over here on this bell pepper. This bell pepper here is finna come off because these orange bell peppers here, y'all. So once they turn orange, it's ready to go. This one here should have been gone a long time ago. But I'm always trying to wait so I can do a video. There's quite a few on this one. Okay. So we're not taking any, yes we are. We're going to take this one orange one. Hold on, y'all. Give me a couple of ticks. Okay, guys. We over here at the cucumber plants. I need to get some of these old leaves off of here. The squash is blooming. So let's see what we got for cucumbers. Oh, look at that beauty. It's done sit on there a little too long, y'all. But I'm finna take it off right now. So give me a couple of ticks. Okay, let's see what else we got. Well, I can't do this with two hands, y'all, so I'm going to come back with the harvest in just a second. Okay, guys. They probably sat on there a little too long, but look at those cucumbers. They are just beautiful, guys. Just beautiful. I only got 2. It's a few more babies on here. And I'm going to come through later today and get rid of them dead leaves. The squash is here. I need to come through here and clean this up too. The lemon cucumbers, I haven't got anything off of yet. I'm going to come through and clean them up too. It's around 8 or 9 o'clock, so get them a good morning watering so they can stand back up. These little poor onions, y'all, they growing though. But that ain't going to be enough to do nothing with. And then one coming back, them caterpillars keep eating my onions. That's where they going. Okay, and then we got a pepper here. Y'all see that pepper? I'm finna take it. It's a couple of more blooms on it. Look at that pepper, y'all. Just beautiful. So yes, it is truly a blessing to come out here and pick your own food. I guess this little sucker here ready. What is this? What kind of peppers is these? I don't see my sign. But these gotta be bell peppers. But look what color it is, y'all. It's like a burgundy. A burgundy. It's pretty. It's beautiful. Like a burgundy. Got a couple of blooms on that one. But yes, y'all, everything is looking good. Looking good, y'all. Looking good. I think I'm going to go back over here and get these bell peppers off. That's what I think I'm going to do. Let me see that, Mariana. They not that big, but I don't want them to end up like that yellow one. See how little it is? But it's a little soft. It should have been gone. So you can't always go off the size of it. Well, now I'm not going to take these bell peppers, y'all, because my signs say red bell peppers. So they still have time. They're not ready yet. Okay, here you go. Okay, guys. Everything looks good. Tomatoes almost ready. Everything looks good. Second official harvest. I've plucked off of them a few times in between, but this is the second official full harvest. Everything looks so good. You guys, please do not forget to thumbs up this video. Like, comment, share. I will have more videos coming soon for you guys. I have to get back out here and prune these plants. I might not record that because my plants don't look that bad. I'm just going to take off a few things off those cucumbers in the back, in the squash plant. But everything else pretty much looks good. Let me check on my little lettuce. Strawberries. Nobody answered me about my strawberries, but I let my strawberries just go. And I got all kind of new growth, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, look at my lettuce. It's coming back. If you guys checked out the other video, you knew I killed one by taking the crown off. This one here. Because we had hamburgers that day, and I was taking lettuce off, and I didn't know I wasn't supposed to take the crown off. But I did. I pruned the tomato plant back there, and my husband actually kept a branch that I took off. And it is growing a tomato, y'all. And it has new growth down at the bottom. So that's a lesson learned. You can kind of keep what you take off, and it might keep growing. Excuse the dryer right there, y'all. I just got a new matching set, so I have to get rid of that dryer. But yeah, that is it for this video. And don't forget the thumbs up, y'all. I really want to start doing a giveaway. That's what I want to do, like a giveaway once a week. For some kind of gift cards or whatever. So if you watch this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what kind of gift cards y'all would like for me to get for y'all. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace and blessings. I ended that video, y'all, without showing y'all the fruits again. I say they just beautiful. Just look at that. Just beautiful, y'all. I am super happy about that. Just super duper happy. If you are not growing your own food, please start. It's never too late. It is never too late to start growing your own food. But this is it. I'm ending the video for real this time, y'all. So peace and blessings.